The channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we are doing part 3 of the 55 Amazon KDP strategies that have been tried and tested. And we are starting from strategy number 21, where we left off last. So part 1 and part 2 will be linked in the description box below. And also, there would be 3 free trials available for you to take advantage of in the description box below. And if you're new here to the channel, welcome. I'm Nora. I do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP profitable niches and keywords that are carefully researched using free and paid methods as well. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. Strategy number 21 is experimenting with different book sizes and formats, because different audiences, they prefer different book formats, and you need to offer multiple options because this will help to increase your market reach. So I published a travel planner that was in a large print size, which is with 8.5 times 11 inches. But after a while, I did notice that my competitors were using a smaller pocket size format, which was the 8.5 times 8.5 inches. So what I did is I just created that version of the pocket size, and my sales started to double. So in order to experiment with different book sizes and formats, the right way is a 3-step strategy. So step number 1 is to identify the standard size for your niche, and then you're going to go ahead and create an alternative. Publish the paperback and hardcover versions, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to test a large print edition if your target audience includes seniors, because seniors usually like a large print edition. Because it's all bigger, is it's also really clear for them to see as well. Strategy number 22 is to use A+ content to increase conversions, because A+ content improves the visual appeal of your books listing, which will lead to higher engagement and sales as well. So I added comparison charts, I added author insights as well as product images to one of my best selling planners, and this resulted in a 20% increase in conversion rate. So the way to do this is to apply A+ content through KDP, include lifestyle images, including some mock-ups, include maybe 2 or 3 selling points, illustrated visually. I can also do a tutorial for you if you like as well. Just comment in the comment section below and I'll be able to link you to that video, and include detailed descriptions that make them visually appealing, and then compare your book with what the competitors are doing in order to highlight your strengths. Strategy number 23 is to optimize your back-end keywords with long tail phrases. And this is something that I advocate for on the channel since starting it. Long tail keywords are absolutely a gem. They attract more targeted research and they lead to higher conversion rates. And in the series where I just talk about KDP profitable keywords for different niches, I also highlight some long tail keywords that are specifically important for back-end keywords as well. So if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel in order to be notified on all our newly researched keywords. So instead of just planner, I just simply use daily planner for busy moms as an example, and this has helped my book rank higher in Amazon search results. Planner is a one single word keyword. The daily planner for busy moms is a long tail keyword. Now, of course, ideally you would want more detail in there as well, but this is what I had on hand at the time. So in order to optimize the strategy better, you can use Google's keyword planner, or you can even use Publisher Rocket to find long tail keywords. And then you're going to go ahead and add phrases instead of single words in back-end keywords. So I don't want you to add any single words in the 7 keyword slots. Focus on long tail as much as possible. A word or a phrase that contains at least 3 words in there is your best bet. And please avoid keyword stuffing. Just keep it natural. Strategy number 24 is to encourage customer reviews and engagement, because the more reviews you have, it's going to equal higher credibility and organic ranking. So I included a QR code, and I have a tutorial on how to include a QR code and how to create one linked in the description box below. So I started to include a QR code when it first came out in my book, leading to a simple leave a review page, and the reviews increased by 50% in the first month, which was absolutely fabulous. So you can add a polite review request inside your book. You can use a QR code or a website link for easy review access. And you can also, as an option, offer a freebie, which could be a bonus worksheet, bonus coloring sheet, in exchange for an honest review. Strategy number 25 is to leverage or utilize holiday themed books for seasonal sales. Now, books that are specifically designed for holidays like Christmas, Halloween, these sell in high volumes during the season. And I once published a Christmas themed coloring book in September, and by December, it was one of my best sellers. So, my tip to you is to always publish seasonal books at least 3 to 4 months in advance before the actual season or the event or the holiday, and optimize seasonal keywords. The seasonal keywords that are long tail are really, really important and really good, and they'll bring wonderful results. And you can also run a holiday promotion and discounts as well for you. G number 26 is to offer multiple formats that include paperback, hardcover, ebook, and audio. Because once you publish a hardcover version, this will really help to increase sales. Now, personally, I did try to publish a hardcover version of one of my successful planners, and that has increased my sales by 30% because some customers simply preferred a sturdier, stronger format, and that gave them the impression that their book is going to be long-lasting as well because it's more durable, it's more strong. So what you can do is you can convert your book into multiple formats using Amazon KDP. Also, if you have a high-content book, just simply sign up for ACX for audiobooks as well. A wonderful opportunity. You can also be able to test which formats work best in niche and adjust the pricing based on the production cost and marketing trends. Strategy on 27 is to build a strong offer brand. It's really unique because all the brand will allow your customers to actually know things behind the book, to have face to the name, and it'll create an emotional connection with your customers. So I created a case study worker across all my books and also page, leading to repeat my person believed that this was the game-changing strategy that was responsible, among other 2 or 3 different strategies, that was responsible for boosting my sales as well. So you can use a consistent pen name and branding elements as well. Engage with your readers on social media, talk to them, ask them questions, develop a website or blog. That these 2 are really important. So let's talk about a couple of other tip strategies that have worked, but starting with strategy number 28, which is run time limited versions. So for example, a 99-cent Kindle countdown deal, absolutely amazing. I always use that. It actually has led to a huge spike in downloads of my children's ebooks, increasing the visibility and increasing the reviews as well. So what you can do is you can schedule Kindle countdown deals, free permissions. You can ask version for social media or email-based or other platform use with your customers. Then you can use BookBub or Backend to promote your deals. We've reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.